Yeah, so I have a little situation with my Nissan Maxima 2004. So I noticed the engine light, as you can see, comes up right here. So I'm gonna show you guys what the problem is. So I put the car in reverse because I'm in my driveway. So I put it in reverse right here. Look at it. See, it's not moving. It's in reverse. I put my foot on the gas. See these jumps? Nope. See? See? I don't know, man. So if any of you guys have any idea what the problem could be, then just reply to this video ASAP. Thank you.